Alright, so the question is, how do we actually change out an old blade for a new blade on the Mavic Pro? And the way we do that, you can see we've actually matched the blade. So we have a clockwise and a clockwise blade. You'll notice that the pitch of the prop is the same, or at least it's in the same direction. And it has 3 prongs on the very bottom here. You can see those 3 prongs. So we will remove this one. And the way we do that is we simply, I wish you can see this okay. We simply push down on it like that, push down, and then we twist. And then it pops out. There you have it, that's all it takes. So basically we push down and twist out. So on the inverse, we will put it back on here. You see where the grooves are here. It'll fit back on those grooves, and then we will twist it back this way, and it locks into place inside the slot. We want to make sure that is secure, because if it's not, it could slip out, and then obviously the prop would come off, you would lose the drone. So it's really important that that is, once again, it goes down, and then goes all the way to the stop, and is released, comes back up, and it's locked in that position. You can see with this new blade, not a lot of clearance on this particular drone with this blade, so it's about as long as it can be, and still work. So we'll test that in a minute. We'll go ahead and we'll replace the rest of these here too real quick. Testing for the noise. I want to kind of do a comparison here to see which one is louder. See if you can notice the difference. So I'll start this one up.